Ever wondered how a simple menu change can completely transform your game experience? Stick around, you're about to find out. Feedback is crucial in game development. After gathering thoughts from various communities, UI designers and players, it became clear it was time for a change. Our goal was to simplify. We wanted a menu that guides you smoothly into the game. No distractions, just a clear path forward. The previous menu had a lot going on. It was ambitious. We used icons for each menu option and combined pixel art with HD art in a way that was inspired by other games we admire. But honestly, it ended up being a bit too much. Everything was crammed into a corner, and the menu felt overcrowded. It was distinctive, sure, but maybe not in the most user-friendly way. Thanks to our artist Horosaku, we were able to rethink and redesign. Her creativity was key in bringing the new vision to life. Now, let's take a look at the updated menu. We've kept the elements that worked, like the cinematic intro, but made everything else more straightforward. You can wait for the end of the animation or skip it by clicking or tapping. Now, there is a clear prompt to press any button to start, and the game title is at the top. We've introduced a semi-transparent layer to make the menu options the main focus. The design is simpler, aiming to draw players in without overwhelming them. I'm curious to hear your thoughts on these changes. The process of simplifying the menu was surprisingly smooth. The key was making the system adaptable from the start, which let us easily implement these changes without starting from scratch. Making these adjustments to the menu didn't take as long as you might think, because we built the menu system to be flexible. Updating it was just a matter of tweaking some settings. It's a good reminder of how important it is to plan for changes right from the beginning. At the start of the development of the menu system, I knew that it's something that can have many UI refactors. What I did is to create a JSON object that contains the X and Y position, that is a number between 0 and 1. Representing the width and height of the screen. I mean, 0.5 is a half of the screen, so will be drawn on the middle. Also the alignment, the title, the object that will be responsible to handle this menu, and the list property containing the info of each item, like name and action. For example, this item is the setting item, and when it's clicked, we'll create another menu containing all the settings of the game, like music, sounds, camera speed, etc. I also conditionally add items. For example, if it's the first time of the player, it does not make sense to show the continue button. So when it's the first play of the player, we'll show the start game button. But if it's not, we'll show the continue game button. I also have the menu option class that calculates the actual position of each element, the hover, etc. And create a menu function that receives all the parameters to create a menu and the object to handle this and creates the menu. I'd love to hear your thoughts, your idea, and yes, even your concerns. Let's make this game amazing together. Just, keep it down or Rosaku might have me redesigning the whole menu again. Until next time. Keep exploring, playing, and most important, keep creating. See you in the next update.